think Janet Yellen was a great pick for the market. That's showing that Biden is listening to what the market's saying. We also know this is a known quantity. Historically, Janet Yellen has been very dovish. So to your point about a stimulus, I think there was a lot of challenge with thinking that the stimulus was going to originally be smaller than what most people are thinking. Now there's some hopes for that being a larger stimulus. So I think everything is going in the direction of the market right now. We look at Treasury yields still down below 1%. Stocks, at least for the rest of the year, are going to be the place to be, and I think investors are starting to put their money there.
Are there questions to be asked, Robert, about whether she can actually bridge the political divide and whether she can actually hammer out a stimulus package?
Well, that's the question. And we know January 5th in Georgia, we're going to be having a Senate runoff race. And right now, the way it looks is that the Republicans are going to go ahead and maintain that. But again, that is actually what the market wanted, because we know Biden was originally talking about a more aggressive tax policy, especially for corporations, going from 21 to 28%. Consensus is if the Republicans are able to hold on to those seats, that more than likely will not happen. So it's really that balancing act that we're playing right now. But I think it's really going to be data dependent. If you see, like we're seeing now in Los Angeles, where things continue to get shut down, more and more people now are going to be put out of work again indefinitely. They're saying 3 weeks, but who knows? I think the policy, the political environment is really going to be calling for a larger stimulus package. And I think right now things are setting that up for it to be a little bit more accommodative for that larger package to pass.
I see where you're going with the jobs, because I agree with you. Jobs is going to be the key focus. And Janet Yellen, we know, has gone to great length in her career to promote jobs. And that's been one of her mantra. Do you think she's going to carry on that mandate, continue that mandate?
Yeah, I don't see any reason why that would change. And quite honestly, that's what the country needs more than ever right now. You know, as I mentioned, there's a lot of people, obviously, that have been displaced already. And with the rise in COVID infections that we're starting to see again, that's starting to take place even more. And so the challenge is this time for the market, more than likely under the current administration, they're not going to be able to get that passed. So that's going to have to wait until January. So it's very interesting to see, though, that the market is looking past that. It's holding up extremely well, believing that now, especially with Yellen come in, there will be that stimulus, more than likely not until February, though, by the time it hits the pockets of consumers here in the U.S.